Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to review to you how you can add more columns to your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets. So let us get started. It is actually very simple, guys. There are basically two different ways how you can do that. So head over to your spreadsheet. And what you want to do first, guys, is left click on one of these columns here at the top. So let me click on column F for the sake of this tutorial. And you may, for example, right click on it and select insert one column to the left or insert one column to the right to do that. So as you can see, another column has been added. So guys, that's one option. You may also add more columns, not only one, by simply selecting not one, but let's say 4 or 5 columns, just like that. And after that, right click and select either insert 5 columns to the left or insert 5 columns to the right. And that is going to add more columns to your spreadsheet. Another option, guys, would be to simply head over to insert here at the top and to hover your mouse over columns and to select where you would like to place or insert your new columns, 5 columns to the left or to the right. So let me do that really quickly. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.